Welcome to a very quick DIY at Upcycle. This is Mansa here. Today we are going to make little burlap flowers. These are pretty flowers that are made of this cloth. This cloth is from Crafty Attire by Tuhina Day. I have this good quality burlap cloth which is given to me by them. So first we'll strip off these burlap sheets and make it into strips. Measure out the flower size that you need and double it up and cut the strip from the burlap sheet. So you will have vertical and horizontal lines. You'll have to remove the vertical lines first. I'll be using these two color chalk paints and paint the burlap sheets. So we'll begin with leaving 3 to 4 vertical lines and then pulling out each streak or strand from the burlap sheet. You will see it is very easy to do and a very relaxing activity to do. Just hold one strand and pull it and it would come out easily. So we'll finish off all the thing, leaving another 3 to 4 lines on the other side, and this is how it looks. Now using a glue gun or any fabric glue, we'll quickly stick one edge to the other like so. Continue to stick all through the entire strand that we made. We call it a DIY because anybody can do it by themselves. Do it yourself. My motto here is that anybody and everybody can craft. This is a very relaxing activity to do. Put up your favorite Netflix show or some movie that you watch and just do this relaxed activity and you will enjoy it to the core. So now I've cut the entire strip of burlap into 4 parts and I am beginning to roll it. You can cut it to the size you want depending on the thickness of the flower you want. I see that this is pretty thick, so I am just cutting it into half again. So I made 4 strips of such sort. Now take one strip, add a little glue and start rolling it loosely. Make sure you're sticking on the go so that everything is intact. Seal the end tightly. And if you have any extra strands, just tuck that in and stick it. Now we have this roll, we can use it as is or just expand it like so. Or reverse it and just press it down so that you'll have a flat top. Now you can either leave it like this or add a pearl or some kind of embellishment. I have this metal embellishment with me, or you can just add some white pearls. Pearls are also available with Crafty Attire. And then I'm adding a little wooden bead to just give it that dimension. Adjust the flower to the desired shape, and there you go, we have this beautiful burlap flower with us. I'm just adding a little wooden bead to the center to add to the dimension, and there you go. This is the beautiful burlap flower, and it hardly takes 5 minutes of your time to create wonders. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please consider subscribing to my channel. and I'll see you with another DIY. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.